Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you a beginner's roadmap to using ChatGPT in 2026. First of all, you will need to open a ChatGPT and log into your account normally or sign up. Now you will need to start by learning how to ask clear questions. The more specific your prompt is, the better the response will be. Here, you can use ChatGPT for studying, content creation, coding, business planning, research, and productivity. For example, we will talk about studying. So, once you provide a prompt, it will provide answers to you immediately, and you can ask follow up questions if you have any issues. You can experiment with different prompts and follow up questions. Over time, you will learn how to get more accurate and useful answers. And that's it. That's the beginner's roadmap to AI success using ChatGPT. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.